is up? It's your boy Emmanuel King. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, so today we're having a mukbang video. I've been waiting to do this for so long. Guys, you don't understand how long I've been wanting to do a mukbang, but it wasn't the right time, and I wanted to do it with my friends, and I wanted it to be like, something. I am on my Trisha Paytas shit. I am on my Tana Mojo shit. I am literally Emma Chamberlain queen shit.
Did I lie?
We got Subway, and we have our juice. First off, this. Right now, let's not do that. Let's get our sandwich. That was a good first bite. If time froze for 4 hours, what would you do with this time? That's a good one. I can't say this, the government's watching. Favorite pizza topping? Okay, something weird about me is I prefer regular cheese pizza. It's more because I'm vegetarian. I'm having a veggie delight right now. You know what, guys? I hope you're eating with me right now. We are eating together. If I were stuck on an island with any trap gang member, who would you? If I was stuck on an island with any trap gang member, who would you choose?
My way.
Honestly, if I was stuck with any trap gang member, it would be Anthony, because that bitch has me laughing. We'd actually think on how to get out of the situation, but yeah, Anthony, I love you. Guys, I literally love my cups. It's like so retro and like trippy, bro. I'm gonna go grab a spoon and shut up. Schizophrenia cheese. If you could eat anything right now, comment down below. Also, we eating fine at the gorgeous restaurant. I'm really close to making OnlyFans, guys. How was you guys' evening? What are you guys doing this lovely night? Cool. Right now, it is 10 o'clock on a Friday night, and I'm not hanging out with anyone. But that's okay, because Friday nights are for the boys, and by the boys, I mean me and food. Why you mad? You mad because my pussy pops to be elite and yours don't. Okay, guys, don't come for my fucking neck. I like pineapple pizza. I know. It's something new. It's something new. You know what? I'm just gonna eat some more. Guess what, guys? I went to the gym. I know, crazy. It was actually nice. It made me feel better for my day. Am I gonna start doing that more? You have a crush on anyone? The answer to that, maybe. Sup, whores. I'm sorry, I love you. I love you guys. You guys are my everything. I love you. Vegetarian things. Something about Dano is that she doesn't like when people burp, and every time I burp around her, it makes me laugh, but I also feel like bad. What am I looking at? There's literally nothing right there. I'm I'm gonna watch YouTube after this. I'm done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my videos, click the notification bell so you get notified every time I post. Bye, bitches!